So now moving on to question 13. This is quite a simple question because it's dealing with the bar graph. Question 13. US states with the greatest number of organic farms in 2016. On the x-axis we have the states California, Wisconsin, New York, Pennsylvania, Iowa and Washington mentioned. And then the question says organic farming is a method of growing food that tries to reduce environmental harm by using natural forms of pest control and avoiding fertilizers made with synthetic materials. Organic farms are still a small fraction of the total farms in the United States, but they have been becoming more popular. According to the US Department of Agriculture, in 2016, California had between 2,600 and 2,800 organic farms. And which choice most effectively uses data from the graph to complete the text? Is it A, Washington had between 600 and 800 organic farms? So first of all, in the question itself, 2,600 to 2,800 for California has been mentioned. And if you look carefully, you will see that that is correct, 2,600 to 2,800. And in answer choice A, it's talking about Washington. And if we go to Washington and read, that is also correct, between 600 to 800. So in fact, A itself is the answer. So why are the others not correct? Let's see. New York had fewer than 800. So if you check New York, fewer than 800, that's wrong because New York has more than 1,000 in fact. So you can see that B is not correct. Wisconsin and Iowa each had between 1,200 and 1,400. So for Wisconsin, if you observe, between 1,200 and 1,400 is correct. But if you see Iowa, its height is just between 600 to 800. So for Wisconsin, even though it's correct, for Iowa it's wrong. So the entire sentence would become wrong. Pennsylvania had more than 1,200 organic farms. So if you read for Pennsylvania, so you can see that it has 800, not more than 1,200. So that's also not correct. So we are lucky that A itself was the answer. The others we just went through just to check how they are not correct.